Welcome to my video Ebooks with Resell Rights, making money with ebooks and Rebrand PLR products. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In this video I will reveal how you can get products you can sell as your own. Starting a home-based business that is different than the millions of others can sometimes be difficult. After all, you will want to get involved with something that does not have tons of competition. While carving out a niche from nothing can be hard to do, you can find a less competitive field if you are willing to put some time into the research process. One of the best opportunities out there is to sell ebooks with master resell rights. This may not seem like a great idea, but there are many people who love buying ebooks for one reason or the next. And if you give them ebooks with master resell rights, they can in turn sell them on their own to make money. So as you can see, this home-based business is a dual-edged sword. Not only will you be able to sell to people who like to read ebooks, but you can also get in touch with those who want to buy and then resell them on their own. The first step to getting started is to find ebooks with resell rights. This may have been hard a few years ago, but this industry has developed quite a bit as of late. You should be able to find plenty of these ebooks for sale. But remember, not all ebooks are created equally. If you are expecting to turn this home-based business into a money-making machine, you will need to offer ebooks that people want to read, and of course, ones that they would not mind reselling either. There are many ways that you can run this type of home-based business. Your best bet is to set up a website where you feature all of your ebooks. This can be done in no time at all, and the better your site's design, the more chance you will have of success. To really give yourself a good chance of high sales, make sure that you have hundreds of ebooks with master resell rights. After all, the more options that you have for people, the more likely they are to make a purchase. If you can position yourself as one of the largest ebook sites, with quality material for sale, you will be well ahead of the competition. Selling ebooks with master resell rights is a legitimate home-based business. As mentioned above, the nice thing about this business is that the industry is not overcrowded. This is not to say that you are going to be the only person in this industry, but you will not be so bogged down with trying to outdo thousands of competitors. Look into ebooks with master resell rights if you are hunting for a great home-based business. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 800 digital products that you can sell as your own.